Bitcoin is down another 4 or 5% today. It is now breaking through the bottom end of the bearish risk range. So the hedge eye process has a risk range from 79,300 to about 90,000 on the top end. So if you see a rally, most likely it will stop out probably around the 20-day SMA, but also you could look for this like 89, 90K range. Now that is coming down, and it's extremely bearish Bitcoin that the risk range is now breaking potentially below the bearish range that is already established. And so it is breaking below that as we speak. Actually, it's right around it. It's right around that low end of that risk range. So it's down about 3.95% at 79,397. We even have gold selling off a little bit today. I think everything is getting sold. Basically, this is a dollar unwind trade. And I think that gold has really been a part of the stock market rally on the way up. So I do expect gold to potentially sell off in a liquidation type moment. We are not at a liquidation moment. I do believe we have much lower to go. I think the stock market could go another 20% over the next few months. I think Bitcoin could go down another 50% to like, 40, 50K. I think Ethereum, honestly, I think Ethereum could trade below 1,000. I know it sounds crazy, but there's a lot of liquidity in there. And there's a lot of people trying to protect the $2,000 level. You can see it in the chart. Every time we go below 2,000, it keeps getting bought. It just dropped below 2,000 again. I don't think it can continue to hit the bottom end of that 2,000 range and not go through the floor. The next target for Ethereum, I would put around $1,550 or a low end 1,380. The risk range has it around like 1,930 or something like that. But I think over the next like month or two, we could see it down, 1,300, 1,500. For Bitcoin, I think we can go straight through to the Michael Saylor buy level or his average cost for Bitcoin, which is around 66,500. I think that's the next logical place to test for this market. I think on the low end, we're looking at like, maybe 50K as like a complete capitulation. But this could be a multi-year bear market, and honestly, we didn't go that much higher than the all-time high. So, just be careful because it could come back all the way to like 30K, and then you have to ask the question of what happens to Michael Saylor.